Okay, Brandon here, just a little update. I can't remember what I've shown so far on this backyard, but I've been on this project now for about, I don't know, a bit over a week, I'd say. I've been bouncing back and forth, but I've got the wood storage done. The play set is done. Now I've been working on this movie theater setup. So we got the pad in the middle, and I got posts for benches all the way around. Obviously they got to be cut down to size. Not too many problems, a couple of roots. There's definitely a ground leveling issue here where I had to bring the back end up quite a bit. But you can see I built a little kind of retaining wall at the back there. That should help. So hopefully, weather permitting, tomorrow I'll build the rest. The rest is easy now, just all building from here. So hopefully in another couple days I should be done this project, and then all I gotta do in this backyard is put up a fence at the back, which is gonna be pretty easy because she's got all this fence here for free, and all I have to do is put some posts in and nail it up, and there'll be some fence at the back. So everything's shaping up here pretty good. Pretty happy with the way things are going.